This is a really fun, simple experiment or activity for spring. You're going to do cress or grass heads or seed heads, depending on what you've got. Or I think they might be called sprouts in America. The little seeds like this, that when they grow, they taste really nice in a salad or an egg sandwich. You will need an egg like this, and you put in some cotton wool, and then you draw a face. You might have the egg left over from your breakfast. You could use, if you're making a cake, try and break the egg cells in such a way that they don't, that they stay whole. And I'm going to do another moustached one. So I've got my little face on it. It's really, really fun little activity. And the great thing about cress specifically is that it grows really quickly. I'm going to add some pictures at the end of this video from our photos from last year to show how quickly they grow. Like within 2 or 3 days, you'll have your hairy cress heads. If you're using grass, it'll take a bit longer, but it will look really fun. Or you can also use, what I'm going to try out is catnip, which basically is meant to be something that cats really enjoy eating. Whoops, it was quite a lot. So basically I put my seeds on top, and this is nice and soggy, and over the next few days we're going to make sure that they don't dry out on all of these. So yes, that's how easy it is to do cress heads. Now remember to subscribe to the channel. We'd love to see you here again soon, and have a nice day. Bye. Here are some images from last year. What seems like just a couple of hours, you'll see that the cress seeds will start to open up and sprout. You'll soon, after a couple of days, see green leaves emerging, and by the 3rd and 4th day, you will actually have a proper cress crop. I mean, that's what's amazing about cress. It's just really fun and grows really quickly. Harvest, put it into salads or into a sandwich, or just enjoy. See you again soon.